Morning class. Today is Wednesday, 9 December 2020. Your topic is My Dog Spot. It's a poem. Today we will do the reading and words meaning of this poem. Open your Read Now books and your English literature notebooks. But firstly, watch this video. Spot by Rodney Bennett. I have a white dog whose name is Spot, and he's sometimes white and he's sometimes not. But whether he is white or whether he is not, there is a patch on his ear that makes him Spot. He has a tongue that is long and pink, and he's loll it out when he wants to think. He seems to think most. When the weather is hot, his wise sort of dog is my dog Spot. He likes a bone and he likes a ball, but he doesn't care for a cat at all. He waggles his tail and he knows what's what. So I'm glad that he's my dog Spot. Now open your Read Now book, page number 76. This poem is written by Rodney Bennett. Write classwork, date 9/12/20. My dog Spot. I have a white dog whose name is Spot. See this dog? His name is Spot, and he's sometimes white and he's sometimes not. But whether he's white or whether he's not, there's a patch on his ear. See, this is a patch in his ear. What is the spelling of patch? P-A-T-C-H, patch. That's make him Spot. He has a tongue. See, the dog has a tongue that is long and pink. And he lolls it out when he wants to think. He seems to think most. When the weather is hot, he's wise sort of dog. What is the spelling of wise? W-I-S-E, wise. And what is the spelling of sort? S-O-R-T, sort. Is my dog Spot. He likes a bone and he likes a ball. See, the dog likes the bone and dogs like the ball. But he doesn't care for a cat at all. He waggles his tail. What is the spelling of waggle? W-A-G-G-L-E-S, waggles. And what is the meaning of waggles? Move repeatedly. And he knows that what's what. So I'm glad. What is the meaning of glad? Glads mean happy. That he's my dog Spot. Now open your English literature notebooks and maintain your pages. First of all, draw a straight margin line. Your chapter number is 20. My Dog Spot poem. Exercise 1 is write the meanings. Number 1, patch. What number 1 is? Patch. What is the meaning of patch? A piece. Patch, a piece. I will show the picture of patch. See, this is a patch. Patch mean a piece. Number 2 is wise. Number 2 is wise. Wise means sensible. Wise, sensible. Number 3 is sort. Number 3, sort. So what is the meaning of sort? To arrange or kind. Sort, to arrange or kind. I will show the picture of sort. See, this is a picture of sort. Sort mean to arrange. Number 4 is waggle. Waggle means move repeatedly. Waggle means move repeatedly. I will show you the picture of waggle. See, the dog waggle his tail. The dog waggle his tail. Number 5 is glad. Number 5 is glad. What is the meaning of glad? Glad mean happy. Glad mean happy. See in this picture, glad mean happy. Now do this words meaning on your English literature notebooks and send me your feedback. Thank you so much.